Hi there! In this short video, I'll show you how to use the Daye Gynae Health screen. We'll cover two things: how to activate your kit and how to take a sample. Don't worry, it's super easy. First off, you need to make sure you've met a few requirements to ensure your sample is fit for analyses. At least 5 days must have passed since your last period ended. You haven't taken any antibiotics or antifungals in the last 30 days. You haven't had penetrative vaginal sex or used any vaginal meds, creams, douches, or gels in the last 24 hours. And you're activating the kit using your own personal Daye account. Now that you've got the green light, it's time to activate your test. During activation, you link your screening kit with your Daye account. Go to yourdaye.com/activate and fill in the questionnaire with your symptoms and medical history. This way, we'll be able to give you personalized lifestyle hacks and paths to treatments when you get your results. When you're ready to take your sample, check everything inside your kit. Here's what it should include: 2 sterile tampons to take your sample with. You only need one, but the second one is there for backup. A blue, sterile pouch to keep the tampon sample safe from contamination. A see-through, shock-proof pouch to ensure the sample is protected on its way to the lab. A 10 milliliter container with a transport medium liquid to protect your sample while it's on its way to the lab. A card with the test activation code. Step-by-step instructions on how to do the test. Now that you've met our requirements and filled in the activation questionnaire, you're ready to get sampling. First off, prepare the kit by laying it out on your bed or on your bathroom counter. Don't throw out the box yet, you'll reuse it later. Wash your hands. It's really important to take your sample with clean hands. Unwrap your Daye tampon and insert it in your vagina, just like you normally would. If this is your first time using a tampon, lay down with your back on your bed, lift your legs up, spread your labia apart, and insert the applicator into your vagina fully. Or you can put one of your legs up on the toilet for easy insertion. Make sure to push the tampon out of the applicator until you feel a bit of resistance against your cervix. Once the tampon is in, wash the applicator with warm water and recycle. Keep the tampon in for at least 20 minutes. You can keep it in for longer if you'd like, but no longer than 8 hours. Setting an alarm on your phone is a good idea if you're worried you might leave it in for too long. Just before you remove the tampon, tear off the top part of the blue, sterile pouch along the perforated line. Use the pull tabs in the middle to pull open the bag. Take your tampon out by gently pulling on the string. Avoid touching the tampon itself with your fingers. It's okay to touch the string. Avoid bumping the tampon into anything, like the toilet bowl. Place the tampon into the blue, sterile pouch. Unscrew the cap of the container containing the transport medium liquid. Carefully transfer the container's contents into the sterile pouch, ensuring no spills occur. Hold the bag by the wire tab ends and fold it over to close. Fold both wire ends onto the bag to provide an airtight closure. Place the blue pouch with the tampon inside the larger see-through pouch included in the kit. Use the seal on the big pouch to close it up. To ship the sample, place the see-through pouch and the blue pouch with your sample into the resealable cardboard box. Reseal the box by removing the peel-off strip and firmly pressing the tape against the marked seal area. Follow the shipping instructions provided at the end of the activation questionnaire to send back your sample for analyses. That's it. Make sure you finished activating your kit on yourdaye.com/activate and we'll send you an email when your results are ready. Thank you and have a great day.